Hey, it's Xavier, and I'm in front of a G-Wagon, and not just any G-Wagon. So this one's the G63 in the MANUFAKTUR Platinum Magno. It does have the AMG Off-Road Package PRO, and I'll show you what that is in just a moment. But this one is equipped with the AMG Night Package Magno, which adds a dark tint to the badging, like the Mercedes emblem. It looks, blacked out. And then here, I'll get to the badging and show you what that looks like. But just want to show you how the silhouette looks. This one does have the 20-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, and there's the badging that's blacked out as well. And in the Magno finish, I think it's an excellent color combination. What are your thoughts? Here, so I'm going to keep walking to the back of the car so you can see what is different when you add that off-road package. It does look like a safari vehicle. I mean, you have, instead of the traditional wheel cover, right, you have the sportier, more rugged look design. You actually have a ladder so you could climb on top of it. So you're not going to see a ton of these out there, but in my opinion, it does provide a very rugged, all-wheel drive, safari look to it. So inside the car is equipped now with the MANUFAKTUR Interior Package Plus. You'll see lining. This one does have the diamond stitching. You have actually leather stitching throughout the vehicle. Here, just want to show you the red stitching on it. Very luxurious look to the car. You have the Alcantara roof on the vehicle, and then actually let me just kind of pan over so you could take a look at some of the carbon fiber trim. Okay, so I'm inside the car. Just want to show you a very solid feeling steering wheel. You actually have carbon fiber trim. There's some more of that red leather stitching, and then it's actually, you have the leather dash as well. Here I just want to point out the carbon trim. That is an upgrade on this one. You can see the carbon trim there, so you can take a better look at it with the manufacturer signature on it. Take a look at more. And then this one does have the touchpad versus, and it does have the voice command, which is the newer, prior, just a couple of years ago, you didn't have the voice command feature. Again, I do like the Bengal red interior. Let me know your thoughts. So I do have this one available. If you would like additional details on this one, let me know. Again, my name's Xavier. Thank you for watching.